Did you know the octopus is one of the most intelligent animals in the ocean? It has 3 hearts and blue blood, and more neurons in its arms than in its brain, allowing each arm to move and sense almost independently. With no bones, an octopus can squeeze through tiny openings as small as its beak. It can instantly change color, pattern, and even skin texture to camouflage, communicate, or scare predators. Some octopuses can solve puzzles, use tools, open jars, and escape sealed tanks, making them one of the most fascinating creatures on Earth.